Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Fiesta engine light. First, ensure your gas cap is securely tightened. A loose cap is a common culprit for the engine light illuminating. After tightening, drive your car for a few short trips. Sometimes, the light will turn off on its own after the system reevaluates the emissions. This simple check can save you time and a trip to the mechanic. If the gas cap method doesn't work, you can try disconnecting the battery. Locate your car battery and use a wrench to carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Remove the cable and wait for about 15 minutes. This allows the car's computer to reset. Then, reattach the cable firmly. Remember, this might reset other electronic settings like your radio presets. For a more precise approach, an OBD-II scanner is invaluable. You can buy one for around $20 to $50 or borrow one from an auto parts store. Plug the scanner into the diagnostic port, typically found beneath the steering wheel. The scanner will display error codes, helping you understand the issue. Once you've addressed the problem, you can use the scanner to clear the engine light. While these methods can often resolve a simple engine light, sometimes professional help is necessary. If the light remains on after trying these steps, or if it's flashing, it's crucial to consult a qualified mechanic. A flashing light often signals a serious issue that could cause significant engine damage if ignored. Don't hesitate to get a professional diagnosis for your safety and your car's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.